Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to today's segment on African Fashion Show where we showcase a lot of beautiful, trendy, stylish hairstyle and I feel that you can rock in this year 2020 and you need some mentally beautiful. So all you need to do, please to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video, like, share and comment. See you next in my video. To my new subscribers, you are welcome. To my own, thank you for being with me. I love you guys. Let's go to the original owners of these photos. We are not here to steal or correct your work, but to promote creativity. I love you guys. Keep watching. And bye.